Well, hello everybody, it's Chanel here from Angelic Interior Designs, and as it says, a furniture makeover, well, a furniture build from start to finish. And of course, we have here starring the man, my carpenter, who's going to build this from the, as they say, the ground up. And I will do the finish work, such as the painting and adding the doors, as you will see in the rest of the video. So continue to watch, and I hope you enjoy the video. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share. As you can see here, he's putting on all the trim work, and I'm just here kind of watching and supervising my design that I drew out, and the man will complete. Yes, I'm just talking here kind of in the way. In this design, I am going to be placing this more than likely in my office. As you will see upcoming, the office redo that I did originally a few months back. Well, I guess it was at the beginning of the year, last year. I think it was last year when I did the office reveal. Well, yeah, it's getting quite a bit of a makeover. Added some crown molding in there and changed the baseboards as well. So continue to watch as we go through these renovations with the man as my carpenter. And as you can see here, the office and a few paint supplies. I'll show you that. Of course, you would need to paint the cabinet. I'm using a Glidden Premium polyacrylic that I will put over top of it once it is completely painted. I'm not going to paint the doors. I'm going to leave them in their natural state that they already are. They have a finish on them, which I do like. And yeah, here's the polyacrylic men wax, and I'm going to put one coat of that in the cabinet. Once I finished it, it took 4 coats of paint. Yes, 4 coats. And it is a paint and primer mix, a very low VOC. That's why I was able to paint inside the house. It was very faint in odor, and if you don't want any odor or less as possible, just open up your window. body in all its glory, all painted up and ready to go. Kind of just staged it here with a few items I pulled from another room just so that you could see how it would look if you were to add your furnishings on top. I am calling this particular cabinet, they all have a name, this is the Charlize. Yes, and the other big one that was in the library is called the Tiara. So thank you for watching me. This has been Chanel here from Angelic Interior Designs. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely do hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.